you have a problem E2-821130A6, okay, in your PlayStation 5, okay. We are solve this problem, okay. First go to the settings, okay, of PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4, okay. Go to the settings, okay, and go to the manage accounts, okay, of PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, okay. Go here and go to the activate your PlayStation 4 or 5, okay, okay, here, and go to the activate, okay, or deactivate and other activate, okay, and you solve this problem, okay, in your PlayStation 4 or 5. Bye bye.